What up, guys? Just want to give the guys in the Southwest a quick reminder. The Nevada, California, Arizona guys, we run into problems whenever the weather is like it is right now and a little rainy. Uh, just reminding you that the stores are responsible to make sure your deliveries are wrapped up and covered for safe travel. Our contract does not have us tarping and untarping. Is not the way we do business. So when you're at the store, make sure the product is wrapped and ready to go. And if it's not, you need to get a manager involved. And if they still want to send it out, what you need to do is have the manager release liability upon you. Get whoever you report to, dispatch, market manager, your boss, take a picture and then let them know, hey, this customer I'm taking, the product's not protected, it's raining out here, but they still want me to take it anyways. We're contractors, got to cover our butts, right? So that's how you handle that. Always take pictures, and before it even gets on your truck, report it to whoever it may be that you report to. Second, call the customers ahead. Contractors, even in a light rain out here, sometimes shut down job sites. I know it seems silly to guys out in other parts of the country, but I don't know, just the way it goes here. The same thing with the stores not having the bags to cover the products. I don't deal with this when I go out east or Midwest. But before you even load your truck, call your customers. Make sure they do want delivery. Sometimes a customer will decide they don't want to work either because they're doing the project themselves and they don't want to deal with it in the rain. So you could save yourself some time. You're supposed to give a pre-call anyways. We'll just call in the head, say, hey, it's raining. I just want to make sure today, you want to get your delivery, and go from there. And then also out here, we got a lot of mountains. Now you can check the road reports and whatnot, but I always call the customers ahead of time too, up there, for the first reason I mentioned, one. And then second is they might know better about the road conditions coming up or down the hill. Maybe one of their guys, their wife, their husband has already driven up or down the hill, knows the road conditions. And also, we deliver with the Moffett. So, you can't put chains on the Moffett. So you got to be careful where you're delivering to if it's snowing up in the mountains. So just a couple things I wanted to just a reminder of, guys, when it's adverse weather. Protect yourself, make sure you're safe, and always take pictures and report to who you are supposed to report to. And you shouldn't have any problems, all right? That way we don't get any damage claims for stuff that is not our responsibility, all right? Just drive safe, it's wet, and be careful out there, guys. Have a good day.